I cannot believe we actually was able to cop a pair of these shoes, and I'm really excited of how my husband's gonna dress them. I was unable to get them, but that is okay because we at least got one pair. Y'all stay tuned to see how amazing these shoes are. Hey sweetie fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm favorite Patra Denise, produced by Zenny Productions. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's good. So hey, welcome back, y'all. I'm super excited for you guys to be back with me. And if you're not a part of sweetie fam, which you should be, and it's free, go right down there to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. That is right, I changed it to 4 p.m. Y'all, sometimes change is better. Let's just get into it. Now, if you click the bell next to the subscribe button, that means you have turned on your post notifications, and that is a great thing, okay? Because you want to be notified when I drop videos, because as you already know, I drop crazy bonus content. So you want to be on board when that happens. All right, now I do have another channel. It's called Normalize It Being Black, where it is day in the life of me being a black mom, black wife, an amazing black woman. And if you're interested in that type of content, go right down there in the description, and you'll be able to gather all that information and go over there, subscribe, check out my content, see what I'm doing on that platform as well. Now, I'm really excited about this review, y'all, because first and foremost, in the beginning, I kind of had all these different type of feels about the whole Yeezy platform with the sneakers. I kind of thought they were moon boots, but as I have stepped back into being a sneakerhead, because I was a sneakerhead for years, then I started having kids, and it just wasn't a priority. Now that, you know, it's something I want to get back into, being that I have significantly grew my sneaker collection in the last, you know, like 2 to 3 years, that this shoe is definitely a shoe you want to have. It's a shoe you need to have. Y'all excuse my earrings if y'all hear them clicking up against my necklace. My bad, okay? But this shoe is not only exclusive, because it's so hard to cop. Like, the box and that whole resale shindig is just terrible. But we were able to cop a pair of these Yeezy slides, y'all. I'm super excited. Now, I was not able to get any. My husband knew I wanted some too, but like, a win is a win in my household. If you got the last name Rhodes-Wilson and you live in this household, it's a win, okay? So my husband was able to cop the Yeezy slides, and we're gonna review those today. Let's get right into it. So I'm gonna show you the box. First and foremost, the box is it's a brown box, okay? No additional colors. It does tell you what kind of shoe it is, so it says slide. All right, now when I first saw the box, I was a little confused on how to open it, but like, I was trying to open it down here, there's an opening here, and I was like, oh, there is a tab here. So I did already pull the tab, because it was actually kind of difficult in the beginning for me to pull the tab. And we're gonna, you know, just look at the box. So on this side, actually, it says Yeezy slide made by Adidas, and it has the Adidas symbol here. Okay, let's get into that. And as I showed you the top part of the side, you know, this is the top, it says slide. And then there's nothing on this side or on the bottom. Okay, very simple, saves a lot of money on a lot of work. And then this says Yeezy slide, and then it says made by Adidas. It's a size 12. My husband is actually a size 11, but this is the first time he got a Yeezy slide, so he wanted to make sure that it fit. Second of all, he actually has 2 or 3 pair of these size, and so do I. Got a 2. He actually bought me one for my birthday. They're like a rose gold, and if you have not seen that video of the gifts he got me for my birthday and my luxury, I'm sorry, let me go back a little bit. I will link the video of all the gifts that I got for my birthday, which those Adidas slides were included. Link that in the description as well. For my other channel, you will see the reaction of me actually opening my gifts of the gifts that, you know, of the things that he got me. So I will link that in the description as well. But we actually have like the traditional Adidas slides, which are the most comfortable slides I've ever had. And I think I said that in another video, but they're the most comfortable slides ever. Like, I don't know what they putting in them, but they're the most comfortable slides ever. So this says size 12, and then it says puree is the color, or pure is the color. It's the original, and it's the GZ 5554. All right, and so I'm just gonna show you that again. Okay, so I was a little confused, like I said, on how to open the box, but I did kind of already pull the tab here, if you can kind of see that, because I wanted to kind of just be all together when I decided to do the review. And you just pull the box and it just like slides on out like a drawer. Now I actually thought that was really, really cool. So we just gonna go ahead and I'm trying to make sure I don't drop them, y'all, because there's like no way to, my hand is actually not, it's barely bigger. Y'all kind of see that, like it's barely bigger than the box. So I want to make sure I do not drop the box. All right, so this is what the inside looks like. Or should I flip it the other way? This is what the inside looks like. The box is really like, can cover my face. Like, it's bigger than my face, the lengthwise. But here's the inside of the box. It comes with a cream colored paper. And we're just gonna go ahead and just peel that paper back. Look at that, y'all. Super cute color. Y'all see that? All right. No smells, just like the new smell. Like, what's that? Like new car smell, new shoe smell. Y'all know how the boxes be when you open up the box and it's like a new pair of shoes. That's how it smells. So let's pull these things out. They're super soft, like touch wise. And maybe that's just me. I don't know if that is there, but these are like super soft, super soft. So let's show you what they look like. Actually, let me move my hands. Okay, so we have them here. This is the front view. And then this is the back view. Okay, and then we have the toe view. You stick your toes through, y'all can kind of see me there. And then this is also the heel view. Right? And then we have the sides, which, as you know, the other shoe looks exactly the same. And then the sides. Same for here. We have a side view and a side view. And then another just inside of the shoe. So the first thing I do, so I do see an Adidas logo there. Because I was thinking, like, I've been seeing a lot of people talk about, oh, you can get the same slides on Amazon, you can get the same at Walmart, yeah. So I'm like, nah, you could never do that. It definitely would have to be, Adidas gonna have something distinctive, something major. This right here is under the foot. So if you put the slide on as you're walking, no one is looking under your foot as the slide go, you know, when you put your foot up, you know, heel to toe as you're walking. This is all like, that's it. I would expect, as much as these slides cost, for it to be a bit more like pizzazz. But maybe that's the whole reason of the shoe. Oh, it does say, it says, I don't know if y'all, can y'all see that? I may have to try to take a picture. Maybe it's on the, oh wait, there we go. It says Yeezy, made in China, 12 US. Can y'all kind of see that? I hope y'all can see that. If you cannot, I will try to take a picture, and if I can get a good angle on it, because it's kind of dark and slanted and all that. But besides that, I don't see nothing on here that shows what kind of shoe this is. Now on this side, it does show the sizing. Wait a minute, y'all, there we go. Let me get myself out the camera. There we go. Y'all can see the sizing there. I had to make sure it focused. So the sizing, and this is a size 12. And that's about it. I will say it is very soft. It actually feels like foam a bit. Like, it's very soft. So I can just imagine how soft it is. Now, I did have my husband try it on to do an on foot, but you're gonna see. Color is everything. This color goes with everything. You cannot beat this color. So I can understand why these are a hot commodity. You can literally wear this and then you can dress it up, you can dress it down. And that's what, y'all know, that's what I'm about, versatility. If I can't wear my shoes with and I'm just gonna be honest with a ball gown, I'm that girl. Or look like I'm about to go hoop, I'm that girl, okay? Or I'm going to brunch, I'm that girl. Count me out, I don't need the shoe. This right here, shoe, I will put some fishnets on with this shoe, sure will. I will make sure my toes is done, you know, make sure I got a good pedicure because I love me a good pedicure. And the next set of like Yeezys that's coming out is a big drop in August. Is like more of the, I think it's the 500s. So I like the 700s, I like the 500s. I was looking the other day, and so that's probably when I'll be able to cop some. Fingers crossed, sneaker fairy on my side. I'm 36 years old, so I need to be fly and comfortable. Fly and, you see how that kind of go together? All right, y'all comment down below if you're a fan of Yeezys, and if you are, what do you think about the Yeezy slides? You might as well go ahead and join the Sweetie fam and subscribe. Link is, I mean, not the link, but the button is below. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. That's by clicking the bell, because you want to know when I'm dropping content. But I do mainly post on Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. now. I also may add Wednesday, but I'm still kind of up in the air on how I feel about adding Wednesday as another day to drop content. So we'll just see. All of my social media platform information, all of my social media content is in the description, so go check that out. I also have another channel called Normalizing Being Black, and that's why the day in the life of me being a black wife, black mom, and just an amazing black woman. So if you like any of that type of content, that information is in the description as well. Y'all really love these Yeezy slides, and the wife gotta get some too. Y'all, I'm favorite picture Denise. Y'all be sweet.